Welcome to Learn Cantonese with Talkademy. This is your host Jasmine, and today we're learning how to introduce yourself in Cantonese. My name is Jasmine. 我叫 Jasmine. 我叫 Jasmine. Nice to meet you. 好高興認識你。好高興認識你。I'm a student. 我係學生。我係學生。What's your name? 你叫咩名？你叫咩名？ I'm Jasmine, and you? 我叫 Jasmine, 你呢？我叫 Jasmine, 你呢？ I live in Hong Kong. 我住喺香港。我住喺香港。I'm from America. 我嚟自美國。我嚟自美國。